Hey, this is Elgin from the Cracktastic Plastic Podcast, back with another MOTU Monday video. Today we're going to be continuing looking at the CGI He-Man and the Master Universe. Today we have the He-Man and Stridor. We'll take a look at this in just a minute. Alright, and we are back looking at the CGI He-Man Master Universe. He-Man and Stridor variation. I got this for a Christmas present. No, actually I got it as a birthday present. Forgot. Back in March. So I've been wanting to get into this one for a while and finally do. So it does come with another version of He-Man in this kind of darker color. With this kind of gray boots and everything. It does come with this classic power sword from the show that they do like that. But yeah, it kind of has like a little lion insignia on it on there as well. And he does have kind of that. He doesn't have the action feature where he like power action, but he does have that kind of more movement to him, with his feet twisting and arms moving out. But kind of a nice looking, kind of like he's wearing a suit of armor, like a black armor or something like that, Black Knight type of armor. So a very cool variation of that. It did come with this Stridor figure, kind of a new version of, or reinterpretation of Stridor, the mechanical horse that Man-at-Arms made. On the vintage one, but this one I think they did a different backstory for it. I'd have to rewatch the show to see what exactly they did, but it does have a new look to it, very kind of reminiscent of how they did the rest of the CGI. It's in the similar vein of that. It does have some blasters on the side, some good coloring, good accents to that as well. Let's see if he does fit on here. Oh, mostly. Does his hand go on? So he does fit on there fairly well. And he can hold on to the reins as well. He can push his hand down there and he can hold on. But he does hold on and can ride his new version of Stridor. So, I'm not sure how much these would cost on Amazon. You have to look that up, but like I said, I got this as a birthday present, so finally get to open it up since we're doing the CGI. I'd show it off here. So it looks good. I do like. I'm glad that they didn't add any like shooting blasters effects or not like that stuff, but like shooting missiles, projectiles. Just kept it pretty simple and straightforward. Great for younger kids to play with and just kind of slam around. Not really going to be missing a lot of parts, and maybe these laser things will fall off, but they're easy. They just stick on. They just pop off and then stick right on. I think you can even attach this to his leg, sword to his leg, which you can. If you want to store it there as well, you can store it on his back as well, like normal. But overall, I think it's a good for younger kids to kind of play around with good coloring and just kind of maybe spark that imagination to play with something like this. So that's pretty much it for the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Go to our website, which is www.cracktasticplastic.com. There you'll find links to all of our social medias, like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, all those places. The website's the place to go for all the things you need to know. And this is He-Man and Stridor saying see you later, and I'm saying ciao for now.